Dear friends, today I'll explain about the construction of a pentagon and hexagon. Let us see how to construct a pentagon and hexagon. So I'll open SOLIDEDGE V20 software. Now I'll see using a line command. So how do you construct a pentagon and a hexagon? So before explaining the construction of pentagon and hexagon, see in Pentagon, I think we are aware about Pentagon consists of 5 sides. We are I'm taking that's edge length. Let us take edge length is say 50 mm. I'm assuming to construct pentagon, and so angle. Let us assume the angle is 72 degrees. So to construct the we need to mention the angles along with the edge length while constructing pentagon. So I'm keeping a reference is 72. Say 72 degree will be the reference. By keeping 72 degree, I construct a pentagon. Let us see how to construct the pentagon. So I'll open SOLIDEDGE V20 software. So now I'll go to the line command. We have an option called line command. Now I'll click somewhere on A4 size sheet. See, I'll click somewhere on A4 size sheet. Once if you click on the sheet, it's asking length and angle. So you need to specify what will be the length and angle. Say I already mentioned, I'm assuming the edge length is 50 degree, 50 mm, and I'll keep 72 degree. 72 degree will be the reference to construct a pentagon. And this pentagon consists of 5 sides. So now length is 50. Keep length is same in the pentagon construction. So I'll keep length is 50 mm. Angle, so base 72 into 0 degree into 0, that is 0 degree. Then just enter the length. Just I will enter length is 50, and I will enter angle is 72 into 1, so that is 72 degree. Next I got second edge. Next third edge, length is say 50 mm, angle is 72 into 2, 72 star 2. So that is our third one, and the fourth edge is length is 50 mm, angle is 72 into say into 3. So we will get one, and last one is length is 50 and angle is 72 into means star. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 72 into 4. Just hit the enter button. So you get the pentagon. You can measure, just a refresh, and you can give the dimensions. Say I'll go to small dimensions, so you can measure this angle. This angle is 50 degrees. Similarly, you can measure any side angle. It should be, see, this is 50. Yeah, this is 50. Similarly, you can measure any angle. It should be 50. Now let us see how to measure the angles. I'll go to angle between. I am measuring the interior angle. Say interior angle is 108 degree. Similarly, I will measure another angle. Say this interior angle is 108 degree. Then similarly, this interior angle is 108 degree. And similarly, this interior angle 108. And similarly, this is 108 degree interior angles. The pentagon, all edges are equal length, and interior angles are 108 degree. So while constructing pentagon, we are entering exterior angle. Say 72, this is 72, 72 into 1, 72 into 2, 72 into 3, 72 into 4. We get this pentagon. Similarly, how do you construct an hexagon? So to construct hexagon, so I'll keep hexagon. So now you'll see how to construct hexagon. So hexagon consists of 6 edges or 6 sides, and I'm assuming edge length. I'm assuming edge length to construct this hexagon is let us take 50 mm, and I'll keep angle is 60 degree with the reference. Just remember these angles to construct a pentagon and hexagon. See, for hexagon, we constructed say 72. First angle is 7. I entered first angle is 72 into 0. That is equals to 0 degree. Similarly, you can enter 72 into 1. Then next 72 into 2. These are the angles. 72 into 3. And last one is 72 into 4. 72 into 4. These are the angles I consider to construct a pentagon. Similarly, for hexagon, to construct hexagon, we need to keep 60 degree will be the reference. 60 degree into 0 and 60 into 1 and 60 into 2 and 60 into 3 into 3 and so on and so on. So like that we need to construct hexagon and so on we need to construct. Let us see how to construct hexagon. Now I'll construct the hexagon. I'll go to the line command. Just select the line command. So I click somewhere. I'll click on the A4 size sheet. Now it's asking length and angle. So don't just enter the length and angle. So length is 50 degree. Just hit the enter button in the keyboard. Angle is 60 into 0. It is 0 degree. Then length is 50 degree. Then angle is 60 into 1. So that is 60 degree. Then length is same 50. Angle is 60 into 2. 60 into 2. Just hit the button. And similarly, length is 50. Angle is 60 into 3. Then length is 50. Angle is 60 into 4. Then length is 50. Angle is 60 into 5. So the hexagon. Just measure the edge length. See, it should be 50. This is 50. And if you want to measure interior angles, just measure angle between this one and this one is 120 degree. This is the interior angle. This is 120. Similarly, you can measure this one and this one is 120. Measure this one and this one is 120 degree. So like that we can measure interior angle as well as edge length by using small dimensions and angle between. So this is about the construction of pentagon and hexagon. Thank you and thank you so much.